Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, giving you a closer look at the Acerbis Rear Shock Sock. So this is going to be for anybody that wants to help preserve their shock seal, especially in those muddy or really dusty conditions. It's just an elastic cover that goes over the shock spring and keeps dirt and debris from packing up inside of here and preventing that from getting packed into that shock seal. So if this is the protection you're looking for, then look no further. These are going to fit most full-size dirt bikes. You can find the one that fits your bike by using the drop-down menu on our website. There's several different colors available, so you can get the look you want. And all you have to do to install it is remove your shock from your bike, and then you're going to stretch the shock sock over the shock. There's two different styles. So this style we're showing right here, you've just got one elastic band at the top. We're going to pull that tight and use a zip tie to secure it. On some shocks, it's going to come with two zip ties and you'll have an elastic band at each end. So if that's the style you have, make sure you get that bottom side done as well. And it's really that simple. All you have to do from there is put the shock back onto the bike. You're good to go, and you're going to get that protection you're looking for. Now, if you are in muddy conditions or the type of conditions that you think might blow out your fork seals as well, you might want to look at the Z-Mud fork guards. We've got a separate spotlight on those. We also have those on our website. So again, if you're looking to protect that rear shock from blowing out in those tough conditions, again, this is what you want. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. If you need to pick some of these up, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.